Many of us carry home insurance on our properties, right? Well, did you know there are ways that you can save money? Yes, save money on your homeowner's insurance each and every policy period. In this video, I'm going to go through some examples of a few ways that you can save some money and cut out some of that homeowner's insurance expense. Homeowner's insurance, I like to kind of call it one of those necessary evils, right? We don't really like to have to pay for it, but I'll tell you, if you need it, if your house burns down, or if you have a big catastrophe somewhere in your house and there is a huge repair cost associated with it, you are going to be glad that you had homeowners insurance. Like I said, we've got to have it unless you own your house. Now, if you own your house, you don't have to have insurance on it, but most of us carry a mortgage, so you've got homeowners insurance. But how can you save some money? How can you cut down on some of that homeowners insurance expense? First off, there is a claim-free discount. So each insurance carrier is a little bit different, but let's say, for example, you haven't had a claim in 3 to 5 years or something in that range. Well, you can get what's called a claim-free discount, and it'll save you a little bit of money each year on your homeowner's insurance. Hey, make sure you hit like and subscribe for me before we move on. Number 2, there's something called a safety discount. Say, for example, that you have a monitored home alarm system, or maybe you have a fire extinguisher in the house. Then the homeowner's insurance company, they love to see that because it gives them a sense of protection right over the property, which means that they're able to offer you a little bit of a discount because you have gone through the steps required to make sure that if the house were to catch fire, you've got the fire extinguisher, or if someone were to break in, then the home alarm system would hopefully deter the robbery, and then you'll have less damage on your home. So if you have safety items like that, or if you've gone through and taken some steps to make sure that your home is properly covered and protected in these ways, then you can get a safety discount. Number 3, there's something called a bundling discount. Say, for example, with your homeowner's insurance carrier, you also take out a policy for your car. So you've got an auto policy with this carrier. So the fact that you've bundled those coverages allows you to take advantage of some kind of discount because you have multiple policies with the same insurance provider. There's also a new home or a first-time home buyer discount available in some cases as well. Say, for example, you've bought a new construction home, then sometimes that homeowner's insurance cost or that policy premium is going to be lower because you have a brand new home. So in the event that you do have a brand new house, be prepared to hopefully pay a little bit less for your homeowner's insurance. Also, there are some programs out there that will allow for a lower premium for those first-time home buyers. So if you are a first-time home buyer, make sure that you point that out. Let's say that you've just purchased a house and the prior owners replaced that roof for you right before you purchased the home. So that house has a brand new roof. Make sure that you tell your home insurance carrier that you have a brand new roof on that house, because there is such a thing as a new roof discount, and they should be able to lower that premium for you because your roof was brand new, and therefore there is a very, very low chance that something's going to go wrong with it in the near future. We all like to save a little cash, right? We all like to put a little more money in our pockets. And I know with insurance, we don't always like to have to pay those premiums, but as I mentioned early in the video, you're going to be glad that you have that insurance if something happens and you actually need to use it. So I hope these tips helped you out to save a little bit of money. Before you go anywhere else, before you hop off my channel, do me a favor, check out this video where I talk about homeowners association fees. Say you're moving into a neighborhood and it has an HOA. What does that mean? What fees are included with that HOA? Check out that video next, and I will shed some light onto that topic for you. If you have any questions at all, if I can help out and clarify anything that we've discussed here, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to help. See you on the next video.